In this video, I'll be showing you how to use just your regular, normal tripod. Now this tripod is actually super heavy duty and it's freaking awesome. There are 6 adjustment lengths that allow you to expand the tripod to a pretty decent height, and it allows the tripod to be set up anywhere because the extra lengths can accommodate it and still get the tripod to be as straight as possible. But make sure you're still using the leveler because that's the only way to truly indicate if it is straight. On the tripod itself, you're able to move around the camera. So this wand looking thing actually allows you to move the camera up and down and side to side. All you have to do is unlock the adjustments, which I'm showing you how to do in this video. Because this tripod is so hefty, there's a bunch of different locks that make the tripod able to move in a lot of different ways. So you really just gotta play with it, figure out what moves what, and then you'll be able to master the tripod and really use it in any scenario. Now let me show you how to attach the camera to that moving piece. So basically, you need to take that piece off of the tripod by holding down that silver piece. Now if you look at the piece, you can see that there's 2 tightening sizes. For your camera, you need the smaller one, not the big one. So you can just take it off by pushing in that rubber black thing. You take it off, and now you're able to slide off the bigger sized attachment screw. It's not necessary to take it off, however, I do find it a little annoying and it does get in the way, so I would recommend taking it off. And after you do take it off, you put that rubber piece back on the platform. But make sure you put the big screw in a safe spot. Don't lose it. Now we will attach the little platform to the bottom of the camera, and it'll be the same method that we did with the Gorilla tripod. You'll need to tighten it to the bottom of the camera with a coin. Again, I'm using a peso, but you can use a penny, a quarter, nickel, whatever you want to use, you just need a coin to tighten it. Make sure you tighten it as much as possible because you don't want the camera to fall off. Now you're able to attach it to the tripod and you're pretty much done. You just need to lock it in place, make sure it's steady, and then you're able to move the camera with the tripod in any way you want and you'll have a nice steady shot because it's on a tripod.